On this episode of After Prison Show, when a mysterious package arrives, what will it contain?
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Sliding around this chair just really isn't working out too well for me. What is inside of this box? Ooh, I bet you want to know. I think you are going to like this a lot. So let's go ahead and open this thing and see what's in it. Bing! I couldn't find any other knife. I think this knife here, I think this knife will work just well for opening this package up. So let's open it. Careful. Careful. Oh my God. Bubble wrap. This was what I ordered. This, I don't care about this. I just wanted the bubble wrap. Holy shit. Are we shooting a video? Are you ready to see what is inside of here? This is a tattoo machine, and this is an entire tattoo kit with not just one, but 9 tattoo machines. FYI, if you're ever getting a tattoo done and as the person is setting up to do the tattoo on you and they break out the instruction manual, it's probably a good idea to abandon that project. You ready to get some work? Cool, one moment. Let me just flip through this instruction manual real quick. Friendly tips, okay, page 4. I'm ready, let's go. 9 tattoo machines, a box full of needles, 1,000,000 inks, and only 1 pair of gloves came with this kit. 1 pair of gloves. You've only got 1 chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. 1 pair of gloves. I can't wait to try this bad boy out. Whole lot more tattooing videos will be on the way, especially now that we have 9 machines to tattoo with. Tattoo school is going to take off to a whole nother level. A lot of great things have happened today, and that's why, I just wanted to showcase that we do have the tattoo kit and all of this tattooing equipment now. But we just reached over 50,000 subscribers here on After Prison Show, and that's completely thanks to all of you out there who take the time to watch these videos. We got the tattoo kit today. We just reached over 50,000 subscribers, and one more awesome thing happened today that I want to share with all of you. After Prison Show just received its first fan mail. I was so blown away to go to the P.O. box today and to see these 2 letters in there, and I want to share those with you right now. These are also going on the wall for all of the stuff sent to the P.O. box. We're going to fill these walls with all After Prison Show fan mail and whatever else. This first letter here is from Andrew. Andrew is in California. Dear After Prison Show, hello. I am a 12-year-old boy and I love what you upload. I love your message to everyone. Please continue your videos and shows. You are awesome, and I love your videos. I know that I spelled a lot wrong. I hope you add this to your fan mail wall. Andrew, thank you for being one of the first people to send fan mail to the After Prison Show. And don't worry about what you spelled wrong. I can't even spell. I'm 34 years old, so being that you're only 12, you're gonna get it together, bro, I promise. Thank you so much for your letter, and I promise you I will continue to upload awesome content. Our next letter is from Tyler. Tyler is in Ohio. Let's open this up. Who the hell would have thought an envelope would be so hard to open? Dear Joe, I love your content, and every time you upload a new video, it brings a smile to my face. Could you possibly answer these questions in a video? Oh my God, I'm not prepared for this because we're doing this right here on camera. Are you still in contact with anyone you met in prison? Well, Tyler, I am still in contact with a few people that I've met in prison. Tom being one of them. You've seen him in the tattoo videos. My buddy Yanni, he was in a video, though he got locked back up again, unfortunately. But yes, to answer your question briefly, I am still in contact with people that I knew from prison. Some of those people, though, they're just not doing so good. I try to give them the best, guidance and inspiration or motivation to try to get their lives together, but it's hard. And because of that, it's also hard for me to stay in contact with them. Some people that I know from prison have died, drugs being a major part of that. And that is why I always voice positivity here on this channel. Inspirational and motivational content to help individuals, hopefully, through whatever struggles that they're facing. But yes, I am still in contact with people that I met in prison. Where would you be if you never got incarcerated? That's probably one of the best questions I've received thus far. To be honest with you, Tyler, if I never got incarcerated, I would probably be dead. I was living a pretty bad life. I feel like everything happens for a reason, and there was a reason why I got incarcerated. I feel like I had to serve that time so that I could be here in front of all of you, being able to do After Prison Show. That may sound silly, but that's the absolute truth. I feel like everybody in this life has a...
On this episode of After Prison Show, when a mysterious package arrives, what will it contain?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Sliding around this chair just really isn't working out too well for me. What is inside of this box? Ooh, I bet you want to know. I think you are going to like this a lot. So let's go ahead and open this thing and see what's in it. Bing! I couldn't find any other knife. I think this knife here, I think this knife will work just well for opening this package up. So let's open it. Careful. Careful. Oh my God. Bubble wrap. This was what I ordered. This, I don't care about this. I just wanted the bubble wrap. Holy shit. Are we shooting a video? Are you ready to see what is inside of here? This is a tattoo machine. And this...
On this episode of After Prison Show, when a mysterious package arrives, what will it contain?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Sliding around this chair just really isn't working out too well for me. What is inside of this box? Ooh, I bet you want to know. I think you are going to like this a lot. So let's go ahead and open this thing and see what's in it. Bing! I couldn't find any other knife. I think this knife here, I think this knife will work just well for opening this package up. So let's open it. Careful. Careful. Oh my God. Bubble wrap. This was what I ordered. This, I don't care about this. I just wanted the bubble wrap.
On this episode of After Prison Show, when a mysterious package arrives, what will it contain?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Sliding around this chair just really isn't working out too well for me. What is inside of this box? Ooh, I bet you want to know. I think you are going to like this a lot. So let's go ahead and open this thing and see what's in it. Bing! I couldn't find any other knife. I think this knife here, I think this knife will work just well for opening this package up. So let's open it. Careful. Careful. Oh my God. Bubble wrap. This was what I ordered. This, I don't care about this. I just wanted the bubble wrap. Holy shit. Are we shooting a video? Are you ready?